The Radar app for Zoho Desk enables agents and managers to oversee customer support operations from the comfort of their mobiles. It provides them with easy access to key help desk information like dashboards, agent stats, customer interactions, and more. Currently, the menu acts as the gateway that takes them to various pages of the app. Agents can easily go to the dashboard page to track service stats and insights. They can jump to the quick view to work on tickets and activities. Or travel to the agent index to find which agents are online and check if a particular agent is working productively. But for even faster access to information on the go, agents need something simpler. To make on-the-go support even more convenient, Radar opens a door for enhanced navigation using My Pins. With My Pins, agents can create shortcuts for specific items like dashboards, agents, tickets, and more. Pinning items is more easy than you think. Simply go to the item and tap the pin icon. In dashboards, the pin icon is located in the top right. In a ticket, the option to pin is available inside More Options. In contacts or agents, you can access it via More Options on the top right. You can unpin items whenever you want from the home. With My Pins, all the information you need is just a tap away, supercharging productivity. Radar, redefining the support experiences for help desk management.